This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Place your Dash egg boiler on a flat, heat-proof surface and plug it in. Open the lid and remove the cooking tray before measuring water. Use the included measuring cup to fill to the soft, medium, or hard mark. The cooker is designed to hold up to 6 eggs at a time and runs on a standard household outlet. Typical cook times are soft 6 to 7 minutes, medium 9 to 10 minutes, and hard 12 to 13 minutes. Carefully place the cooking tray back into the cooker and arrange eggs in the tray. Use the small pin provided to pierce the wide end of each egg once to help prevent cracking. Replace the transparent lid securely and set the unit on its base. Press the power button or toggle to start the heating cycle and let the unit run. The Dash egg boiler will automatically shut off and sound a buzzer when water fully evaporates and cooking completes. When the buzzer sounds, unplug the cooker and remove the lid carefully to avoid steam burns. Use tongs or a spoon to transfer eggs promptly into an ice bath to stop cooking and set the yolks. Leave eggs in the ice bath for about 5 minutes before peeling. Crack shells gently and peel under cool, running water to ease shell removal. Store peeled or unpeeled cooked eggs in the refrigerator for up to 1 week in a sealed container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.